Is the US losing its edge in the AI race? While American labs fine-tune their models, China's Moonshot just dropped Kimi K2, a trillion-parameter beast that doesn't just answer, it acts. It's open source, insanely fast at math and code, and aimed straight at DeepSeek, Claude, and ChatGPT. After DeepSeek shocked the US AI industry 7 months ago, Kimi has everyone talking and worrying. Kimi K2 is a powerful AI model created by Moonshot AI with support from Alibaba. Moonshot is one of China's AI tigers, a group of Chinese AI startups that have shown significant promise and could grow into major tech companies. Kimi K2 uses a mixture of experts design, which includes 1 trillion total parameters and 384 expert networks. However, only 32 billion parameters are activated for each request, making the model both efficient and scalable. This smart setup helps save computer power while still delivering strong performance. The model is built to carry out agentic tasks, meaning it can complete multi-step operations like using tools, browsing the internet, and making decisions without needing help from a person. Kimi K2 also works well with external tools and application programming interfaces, making it useful for advanced workflows. It can handle up to 128,000 tokens at once, allowing it to process long conversations or documents easily. Kimi K2 is available in 2 versions, Kimi K2 Base for researchers who want to customize it, and Kimi K2 Instruct for everyday users. The model was trained on over 15 trillion tokens, giving it strong skills in multiple languages and complex reasoning. DeepSeek R1, launched in January 2025 by Moonshot's rival DeepSeek, introduced major progress in open-weight AI development, especially in solving coding-related tasks. The model was built using a mixture of experts design, which activates only the parts of the network needed for each task. This method helped save computing power while maintaining high performance. It included 671 billion parameters spread across different expert networks, making the model highly effective in handling complex programming and reasoning tasks. A major feature of DeepSeek R1 was the multi-head latent attention system. Instead of using the usual multi-head attention method, it used a low-rank factorization strategy. This reduced memory use by turning key and value matrices into smaller latent vectors, which were later expanded during use. With a 32,000 token context window, the model could manage longer outputs more smoothly. DeepSeek R1 was trained using a multi-step reinforcement learning process, helping it develop strong reasoning skills. It matched the performance of top models like OpenAI's o1-1217, especially in math and code tasks, and became a milestone in China's open-source AI progress. Kimi K2 clearly performs better than DeepSeek R1 when it comes to understanding long documents. This is mainly because Kimi K2 has a large context window of 200,000 tokens made possible by its RWKV architecture and sliding window attention method. This means Kimi K2 can keep track of what's being said across very long texts, which makes it perfect for jobs like reading and summarizing legal files, academic papers, or large company documents. In performance tests like Live Codebench, Kimi K2 regularly does better than DeepSeek R1, especially when handling long pieces of code that need logical thinking and memory of earlier parts. It even matches models like Anthropic's Claude 4, which is known for doing well in tasks that require good reasoning and understanding. Kimi K2 also stands out because it can plan and carry out complex tasks with little help. This makes it more useful for businesses that need AI to handle tools, workflows, and changing user needs. The launch of Kimi K2 is a major step forward in making AI more accessible. Unlike many models from Western companies that come with strict usage rules or require paid access, Kimi K2 is freely available to download, use, and customize. This gives developers, researchers, and organizations around the world the chance to work with a powerful AI model without facing legal or financial limits. Moonshot AI's open approach is not just a technical choice, it's a clear effort to make advanced AI tools available to everyone. Within 24 hours of its release, Kimi K2 became the most downloaded model on Hugging Face, showing just how much people want open and flexible AI. The Apache 2.0 license also allows users to create and share their own versions of the model, supporting global teamwork and accelerated progress. The launch of Kimi K2 has raised serious concerns among researchers and companies in the US. Kimi K2's full open-weight access allows anyone to download, edit, and build on the model without restrictions, challenging the US approach that usually limits access through paid APIs and closed systems. Kimi K2 is more advanced than DeepSeek and Qwen, the open-weight model from Alibaba, approaching the performance of frontier AI models from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google DeepMind. Compared to Kimi K2's trillion parameters, DeepSeek V3 is 700 billion parameters, while Llama 4 Maverick is at 400 billion parameters. Kimi K2 impressively outperforms its previous model, Kimi 1.5, which came out in February of this year, highlighting how quickly these models improve. Many observers are calling this release another DeepSeek moment, hinting that China might now lead in open-source AI progress. China's AI industry is changing fast, with powerful companies like Moonshot and DeepSeek leading the way. These companies are seen as closely connected to the Chinese government and play a key role in national innovation. When DeepSeek launched its new model in early 2025, it showed performance equal to or better than many top Western AI systems. This success made Chinese leaders more confident in their technology strategy. These AI tools are not just about technology, they help China increase its global influence, especially in developing countries. By releasing open-weight models, China allows nations with limited resources to use Chinese AI platforms rather than US ones, further cementing China's influence in other countries' digital ecosystems. This shift has caught the attention of leaders in Washington, D.C. Policymakers there are now rethinking export rules and funding plans. Traditional controls may not work well when powerful models are shared freely, and every day, China becomes more and more skilled at dodging US export prohibitions. Kimi K2 is a major step forward in the world of advanced AI. DeepSeek clearly set the path for Kimi K2. Even though DeepSeek is run by a hedge fund and Moonshot operates like a typical startup, this shows that there are multiple paths to success in the Chinese AI development environment. Kimi K2's ability to make its own decisions and carry out tasks using tools like web browsers and math software make the model incredibly useful in real-world jobs, especially in areas like software development and research, where working independently and adjusting to changes is important. It's also being used to review contracts, understand legal rules, and make choices without help, showcasing its real-world applicability for complex human tasks. Kimi K2's release isn't just a tech milestone, it's a wake-up call for the US AI industry. As China's AI tigers roar louder, global competition is heating up fast. Do you think open-sourcing powerful AI models like Kimi will give China the AI lead in the long run? How will the US AI giants respond? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.